Good afternoon, y'all. Well, I had my little nap, so I got a little refreshed. Now I'm going to have to make some supper for everybody. But this is a 3-ingredient supper. Very simple. Very, very simple. I got about 2 pounds of brown hamburger meat. I've got a, how big is it? 32-ounce bag
2 pounds.
of tater tots, or Eric said 2 pounds. I got 2 cans of cream of mushroom, and I realize not everybody likes cream of mushroom, and that's okay. I've got a reduced sodium one and a regular one. Now, you're gonna get you a 9x13 baking dish in the oven, 350. You're gonna take your tater tots, just gonna add them in there. I think there's one hiding. Yep. There was one hiding in there. He didn't want to come out. And you're going to take your cream of mushroom soups. Now this is Kroger brand, the low sodium one. And it looks a whole lot different than the Campbell's. I pulled stuff out of the freezer and pantry. Really simple little dish.
I guess that's what 35% less sodium does to you.
It's more than 35%.
Oh, is it?
It's half.
Oh, is it half?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I
Yeah,
didn't
it's
realize.
half.
I know, but that could be it. I don't know.
I'm gonna try to get all of this out that I can with this little, I forgot what you call them things.
Spurtle.
Spurtle. Spurtle. Spurtle. This little curved one, it's really good for getting everything out. Okay, got that in there. And now I'm gonna take a bigger spurtle and mix this all together. And I'll be back. Okay, I got it all mixed together, lightly sprayed my 9x13 baking dish. Oven's preheating at 350. Get this put in here. And you're gonna bake this for 45 minutes, uncovered. Yes, this is a lot, but this is what it takes for my family. So I don't want anybody to not feel like that there's enough for them to eat. I've always been that way. Always wanted to make sure that there was plenty for everybody. So you're just gonna kind of press this down. I don't know if I can get it exactly even or not, but I don't think it matters.
No, it don't matter.
After we eat, I may have to take another nap. I don't know. That's something I never do, is lay down and take a nap. But the last few nights I didn't sleep that good, so. And it don't hurt nothing. And can you believe as kids we would fight and not want to take it? What was wrong with us?
We didn't know any better.
I know. And now I'm like, man, I missed out on a lot of naps. Okay. Well, that's kind of lopsided right there, but it, you know what? It'll be fine.
Yep.
It will be absolutely fine. You make sure it got all this goodness out. And now we're going to put this in the oven for 45 minutes. Okay, we just took it out of the oven and it looks amazing. Gonna let it cool for a little bit, and then my sweet Eric will do a taste test. Okay, my sweet Eric's going to try it. It smells amazing.
I have fork. I am ready.
Yes, he is ready to try this 3-ingredient casserole.
That's pretty good.
There's that approval eye roll, y'all.
Very simple, but good.
It is very simple. Like I said, it's just 3 ingredients. So, use stuff I had on hand, and Eric didn't want any sides with it, so here it is. I hope y'all have had a blessed day. Remember, it's gonna be okay, y'all, and we love you.